What is up, everybody? Matt with Mikey Designs. Welcome to an edition of a Throwback Thursday where I'm going to kind of show you some old videos that I have never uploaded. So stick around. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see what we got in the video library.
Hey guys,
here.
Matt with Mikey Designs.
Ah,
and
yes.
I'm
I remember
with
this
a quick
design.
little tip, and
Ha!
I just put new palette tape on all my palettes,
Ooh.
and
Fresh,
you can
nice
see,
palette tape. It's always
only
nice
one of them has a center mark,
putting palette tape on it,
and the reason that
on
is
your palettes.
not every palette
Ooh, that palette was burned to hell.
sitting on the arm. At least with
Oh
my
my
press.
god. You can see all
Just
the
'cause you measured the
little
center and draw a line, that doesn't necessarily mean
bumps
that's
in it.
where, your center print's going to be. So what I like to do is
looks like I might be trying to show you what I showed you guys in a tutorial here recently.
And then align my screen up to it. You see I got my little center marks there.
But I was trying to show you how to do spot process,
Turn
which
this
I've
light
never
on
done
here,
before,
so
ever.
quit messing with my camera. Okay, well I guess that didn't help. But anyways, okay, so you see that
Notice
it's
the nice tape on the screens
centered. So
because they were coming
I'm gonna come
apart.
over.
That's my special way of
I'm gonna
prolonging
take
the
Sharpie,
life of a screen.
just
Yep.
like this, and I'm gonna
This,
let it soak
I
through that
finally
screen right on
uploaded
down
a video
to, the new
of how to do this, and
platen here.
this
You
was
see,
something
now
I
we got
recorded
center marks, and what I'll do is I'll
back
grab
in
a ruler
2015.
and make my center mark, and I'll just move on to every palette,
So
and each
yeah,
one of them will be centered with one another.
yeah, that's exactly
Hope
what
this
that is. But man, even what is it? 3-4 years later, I probably didn't even need to record a new video. Let's see what else we got.
Hey guys, Matt with Mikey Designs here. I just wanted to show you
So
what we have on press today.
when I record
can't
tutorials,
really
I tend to record
demonstrate
multiples
me printing this, but I can just
at a
tell you
time
little bit
because it
about
just makes it
while I
easy,
have it on press.
which I'm about to do some more of.
It's a 6 spot color job.
Yep,
And
another
here's
spot
our
color job.
Underbase.
Like I was saying, I never
Our white highlight.
have uploaded one of those,
and
but
then we
I
got
think a lot of people
blue, gold,
tend to be curious of how this
purple.
works.
and turquoise. And I like to print them in exactly that order: the white underbase and then the white highlight.
I remember
printers
this
like to do that
design
last.
like it was
I find I get the most vibrant colors
yesterday.
when I do it that way.
I don't think I ever heard from this client again. And the
This
artwork,
one, you know, it had a bunch of
I
colors
thought it
in
was
but
cool, although
with
it
the
kind of
6
looks
color
like
press, it probably could have used a touch of red, but
It-
and a
the
maybe a
way
gray
it
layer
appears,
just to help blend
it kind of
out
looks
some
looks
of
like
these
doo-doo,
grays
but
here. But I think it came out pretty nice. Looks
I was
lot like
pretty
wood.
happy with the way my spot process was coming out when I finally got the hang of it.
Customer set. And anyway, so I
Still
just
kicking
wanted
the
to
flip-flops
show you this real
to this
quick
day.
before I tear it down. Hope you'll have a good one.
Yeah, so that was a video that I just kind of wanted to show you guys of a job I was doing. Before I tore it down, I was going to upload something and I never got around to it. I kind of going through the video banks and seeing what I got that is similar to that. I don't know. I just, for some reason, I never uploaded it. There's a bunch of those, so let's see what else we got. And this one is going to be entertaining. You're going to learn a lot off of this one.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
I sound like a parrot. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, so this was a cool design that I put together for their memorial tees. And then I had a video up of me. You can hear the kids being bitched at in the background. But yeah, I was really proud of this one. I think it was 4 colors. And obviously it's in the style of the Obama poster or whatever. But I had a video of that up, of me printing it, but I had some White Stripes music in the background, so I got flagged for copyright infringement. Let's see what else we got.
Hi everybody, my name is Matt, and I own Mikey Designs and Silkscreen,
These are some real
located
doozies.
here in Sugar Land, Texas.
I think I was trying to enter a competition or something like that, but oh man, I think that might have been one of the points where I decided that I'm not so good at doing videos. Hey guys, this is Mikey Designs and Silkscreen in Sugar Land, Texas. Here's gonna be another little doozy.
Hi, my name's Matt with Mikey Designs and Silkscreen, and today I wanted to...
I don't know what the hell, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing, or the camera is that on my face, but I'm gonna try and win some sort of competition. And then last but not least, oh wait, there's more.
Hello there. Let's see.
It ain't easy doing video tutorials and looking good. Speaking of looking good, this video I'm about to pull up was not meant to be a tutorial, but I thought it was funny anyways. Okay, so
How you doing there, America?
here's the video of me
This is Matt
doing a
Brat
Will Ferrell impression.
Matt the Brat coming to you, and I just wanted to show everybody
And also,
how good I
I
look.
think it was an impression
Look
of
at me.
my brother.
I mean,
My younger
look
brother
at this. Look at this. Look,
sends me
look
just some
how
videos
good I
that are
look.
just
Oh,
really
God.
stupid
Oh.
and along the same
I'm
lines.
not conceited or anything, but
You're extremely conceited.
And then so I was sending it.
you watch your mouth.
You're
You know it's
extremely conceited.
good for you.
Very conceited.
Hey, when you're this good looking, sometimes you just got to share it with the world. What do you think,
Just being very conceited.
America? I'm starting my new YouTube channel.
You're extremely narcissistic.
It's called How Good Does Matt Look Today?
You're really narcissistic.
You can give it a thumbs up, or you can give it 2 thumbs up.
If you give a thumbs down,
We shall be back
I'll
with
understand why.
more tunes of how great Matt looks.
Okay, I got one more. And back to the more serious side of doing screen printing tutorials. So this was a job that was for a client of mine, and I believe they were in New Jersey, somewhere along those lines. But I think I completely edited this thing. I don't know, we might even be watching something I have up on the channel, or maybe I got rid of it because it just really wasn't that good of a tutorial. I'm not telling you anything. It's just kind of me walking you through exposing a screen. It's definitely an edit there. Yeah, here I am washing the screen out. Boy, this guy seems like he knows his stuff. He's really got it down. And this was back in the day when I was still using the water hose to wash out my images. Now I tend to overexpose them on purpose and then wash them out with the pressure washer. That, and also so I make sure I'm completely kind of exposing that emulsion all the way through. That way you get no runoff into your emulsion. So that's how I do it now. I had a lot of issues, kind of a little bit underexposed screens. Yeah, so here I am screen printing this job, one color job. God, I'm so glad I stopped using that spray tack. That stuff just gets everywhere. And it's not good for you either. Not good for the environment either. Oh, my dryer was so new and clean. I wish I had video logged that. I had, man, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff I wish I could have recorded getting things in from Catspit, so you guys could see how they look when they arrived at your doorstep, literally. It was really cool. It was a really cool experience. But yeah, so loading up shirts here. And then eventually I start doing this just just, you know, your basic white print flash print. And so I go around and do all the shirts. I eventually take them off and put them on the conveyor dryer. Got me a little bit of a different angle going on, creating some sort of interest. When it goes through the conveyor, as you guys know, or don't know, I'm kind of showing off the design. And before Shannon got involved, they would just fall into a bin. Well, I hope that was as entertaining for you as it was for me, because it's funny to go back and look at some of those videos. As always, guys, I really appreciate y'all tuning in. Don't forget that we're an official rep for Catspit Productions. Use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all that great stuff. Go over to our Facebook page, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you guys next time.